The second advent of Christ and the era of universal consciousness. When Jesus announced that he would return, many imagined a physical appearance, visible to the eyes of the body, accompanied by supernatural signs. But Allan Kardec, in the Genesis, clarifies that the second advent of Christ will not occur as a material manifestation, but spiritual, through the renewal of consciences and the spread of truth throughout the world. Christ does not need to return in body because he has never been absent in spirit. His presence is constant, manifesting in the inspirations that illuminate science, in the intuition of the righteous, in the faith of the humble, and in the discoveries that free the human mind from fear and ignorance. Kardec explains that the coming of Christ symbolizes the arrival of a new era, the era of moral and intellectual regeneration of humanity. Just as dawn follows night, spiritual thought follows materialism. Spiritism is the instrument of this transition, the channel through which the Spirit of Truth fulfills the Master's promise to clarify all things and reveal what was previously hidden. Modern science confirms that evolution is a universal law. Classical physics describes the balance of forces that govern the worlds. Quantum physics reveals that reality is shaped by consciousness and intention. Astrophysics shows a universe in permanent expansion, which is recreated at every moment. Everything in the cosmos evolves, from atoms to galaxies, from instinct to consciousness. The second coming of Christ is therefore a quantum phenomenon of collective consciousness, the gradual awakening of humanity to the light that has always been present. Neuroscience and psychology indicate that the human mind is in constant transformation. Empathy, compassion, and intuition expand as the brain adapts to higher states of consciousness. O Christ, as the archetype of universal love, will not return from outside to inside, but from inside to outside, when each being recognizes the divine that dwells within them. Thus, the second advent will not be an isolated event, but a collective movement, the convergence of science, faith, and morality, transforming the earth into a world of brotherhood and wisdom. When humanity understands that the spirit is the essence of life, that matter is merely its temporary expression, and that all the laws of nature are manifestations of divine intelligence, then Christ will have truly returned, not in a visible body, but in the enlightened consciousness of each being. And if these words resonate in your heart, it is a sign that the Advent has already begun, because Christ is reborn every time someone chooses to love, understand, and serve.